Have you ever thought that in the coming times, we might have something other than dollars? Will cryptocurrency change our traditional currencies? Today, we will explore the big story hidden behind this question. Our topic today is something that will impact everyone's life, from our jobs to every individual. Let's start with the idea: how will cryptocurrency change the dollar? In the world of finance, a new change is coming, and cryptocurrency plays a significant role in it. We will embark on this journey together, where cryptocurrency's contribution in replacing traditional currencies like the dollar will be discussed. So let's take a look at the fascinating world where our financial landscape is changing. Friends, first, let's discuss the current status of the dollar. The dollar, being the global reserve currency, holds some special powers. This means that businesses and central banks worldwide deal in dollars. It instills confidence in economic stability and trust in trade globally. Additionally, the dollar has another significant advantage: its stability and trustworthiness. People trust it because it has remained a stable and robust currency for many years. However, like every coin has two sides, it also has alternatives. Dollar has some drawbacks too. Firstly, inflation concerns. The value of the dollar is not decreasing, but increasing, and this is a cause for concern. It leads to an increase in our everyday expenses, affecting our savings and investments. Secondly, dollars' dependence on centralized authorities. This means its control and value are in the hands of a central authority, such as the Federal Reserve. If this authority makes any decisions, it can affect our wallets. This dependency can become a point of vulnerability. Now that we have discussed the weaknesses of the dollar, let's talk about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency with no control by any central authority or government. It is decentralized, using blockchain technology. And if you think cryptocurrency is just an online version of money, you are wrong. It has some unique features that set it apart. Firstly, its security and transparency. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger called blockchain. This makes every transaction transparent, reducing the risk of fraud. Secondly, lower transaction costs. Traditional currencies require us to pay extra fees to banks and middlemen, but cryptocurrency transactions have lower fees, reducing the overall transaction cost. And thirdly, financial inclusion. Through cryptocurrency, financial services are also available to those who are not part of the traditional banking system. This is a perspective of prosperity that we can witness. Now, we come to the challenges and concerns, and the first discussion is about regulatory uncertainty. Governments around the world hold various perspectives on cryptocurrency. Some countries have accepted it, but some have imposed restrictions. The uncertainty can have an impact, and you might have questions about how. Furthermore, the impact of regulatory reactions will also affect adoption. If governments are friendly, people's trust will increase, and adoption will happen quickly. However, with strict regulations, people may hesitate. The second challenge is volatility. The price of cryptocurrency fluctuates significantly, making people feel the risk. However, it is true that some solutions and stablecoins have emerged to control this volatility. Improvements are ongoing, but it's an important point to remember. Now let's talk about the impact of cryptocurrency, specifically in the context of de-dollarization trends. Some countries, especially those facing economic challenges, are exploring alternatives to the dollar. Cryptocurrency could be a viable option here. A new chapter is opening, where options beyond traditional currencies are available. Many people are wondering how cryptocurrency, the topic of our discussion today, will shape our global finance in the future. Another important point is financial inclusion. Through cryptocurrency, a new way is opening to reach people who were previously outside the traditional banking system. It provides them access to banking services, empowering individuals globally, which is a powerful tool. So, will we see cryptocurrency evolve? Will it integrate with traditional financial systems? This is an interesting aspect. We have seen how technology shows us new financial instruments, and there will be more innovations in the future. And finally, let's talk about the dollar's role in a crypto world. What will be the future of the dollar, coexisting or being replaced? Some experts say a new era is coming where cryptocurrency and traditional currencies will coexist. Let's see what the future holds. So, friends, in today's fascinating journey, we have seen how cryptocurrency faces challenges and how it can influence our global finance. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, thank you and goodbye.